Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is using change case. If you have typed some text and after typing you need all the words in the capital letter, or else you want the first letter of each word to be capitalized or all letters are small. So to do this we have to click on change case. There we have some options. The first option is sentence case, which is selected in the default in the Microsoft Word. Whenever you type a word, the first letter of that word is automatically converted to a capital letter. As we write hello, we have just typed H in short, but as soon as we give space, it will automatically be H capital like that. Now if you want to convert all the letters in the text to the small letter, so go to the change case and click on lowercase. It means all words are small. Now you can see that all these words came up in short, and if you want to convert this text in uppercase, click on uppercase. Uppercase means that all words are capitalized. Now click on it and you can see that all these words were big. And the next option we have capitalize each word. That means the first letter of each word is big and all the rest is small. Now click on it and see that the first word of each word is big, and the next is toggle case. It means that the first word is shorter and all the other words are larger. Click on it. Now you can see that. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.